Well, today, what are we fixing today? Well, we're sort of fixing something today. We bought something, and I'm going to show you how we're going to fix it. You know, it's a product review. What am I going to say? We bought ourselves these things. It's a Maxcio Smart Essential Oil Diffuser. It's supposed to work with Google Home, so I'm going to try it, and I'm going to set it up on screen, and we'll see how it goes. Either it'll work or it'll explode like Dr. Z. Here it is. We kind of peeked in the box, so we didn't really unwrap it, so I don't know what exactly it looks like. That's what it looks like on the screen. You can see on the screen, if I got the screen up at the time. Alright. Let's do a little, this is the box. It started to open it here. And we had to kind of looked inside to make sure it wasn't broke, but I didn't really look at the package, so you and I are going to see this together. There we go. There we got power block. Okay, cool. Make it a little longer. We got the thing. Then we got some instructions. Then we got a box we don't need. Instructions. Many languages. This is in the front. Let's see. What am I looking for here? Stuff. App configuration. So I'll download the app. So I'm going to need this to download the app. And then we'll go through the app together. Alright. Let's kind of pry that open. What do we got here? Kind of a dark brown, pretty nice. Recyclable. Standard diffuser kind of stuff. This must be a bucket to fill it with. I don't know, I guess. Here we got, what does it say? Light and mist. I don't see any Wi-Fi connections, but there's a power connection. So let's do our power connection. So, let's say, do anything before. Turn it on, what does it say? Troubleshooting, we didn't even get it powered up yet here, dudes. App connection guide. So they just figure you can do whatever. Just make your app work. Alright. Make our app work. Make our phone work first. Alright. Let's do our app. Go app. Alright, open anyway, that's fine. Tuya, Smart Life. Okay. Awesome. I know what that means. That means I'm going in here. Alright. This is my first load of the Tuya app. This time I've used it. I got some Tuya devices, but I've never used the app. I'm going to see if I can flash this sucker. That would be awesome. stupid app. Download it. Did I download it already? Okay. Very intuitive. Very nice. Alright. Installing. Some APK. Very hacky. That is also awesome. Open. Agree. Register. Agree. I guess I'll have to do this off screen. Alright. Tuya uploaded. Plug this in. Linking. Make sure my Wi-Fi doesn't pop in and do some crap. As you can see, I didn't break it. We got fast flash, so it should be ready for connection. Oh, this is why I hate this garbage. I gotta change my Wi-Fi to a different one. Go in here, add device, auto scan. Try. Ah, there we go. Went off, it found it. Or it gave up. Oh, must have found it. Now it comes on. Aromatherapy. Right. Did I just screw it up? This is awesome. I'm gonna do it again because it was so much fun. So much fun to do it twice, isn't it? Okay, flash is off. Next. Done. Turn it on. Alright, now we gotta see if it's working. There we go. Here's a thing. Some distilled water. Damn much. We'll be moving it around. We'll just put it in a little bit. Alright. Now, we want to be cool. Stress relief, thankful, and health shield. Well, I'm going to do a little bit of stress relief because I hate the Tuya app. Couple drops of that. Smells like puke. And a little bit of thankful that I got it to work at all. There we go. Alright, now this should go on here. Probably just like that. So let's turn it on. Oh, the light kind of rotates. Alright, so what else got here? Oh, so it's steaming. This is weak mode. Oh, you can change it. Weak mode. Let's do it over here. So you can kind of give you a background to see that with. Alright, you seeing it? Oh yeah. So, using the app, we got weak mode. Oh, once more, it's on strong mode. Got a lot more coming out. Once more, it goes to off. Boop. That's cool. Alright, now let's go to the light. The light's on rotation, looks like. Fixed. And then you can pick your color. Okay, that works. More night light, what's that? Div mode. Light green. And there. Alright, well, seems to work. There's a scheduler here with the spray or the light. This is all kind of cool. I think my girl's gonna get into this. This is for my daughter. Alright. So much for that. It sort of works. Thanks. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you thought it was a piece of crap, then thumbs down is good. I think it was a piece of crap, but I shot the video, so I might as well put it out. Sorry. Subscribe if you want to see more silliness, and you know, maybe check out one of my other videos because they're probably better. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.